Hello everyone, welcome to Design Hub. In Design Hub, we provide quality technical content related to the design industry using practical concepts. So, to upgrade yourself, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell to get notified every time we drop a new video. In this video, we will practice the commands and drawing with tips and tricks. We will learn about rapid dimensioning, how useful is the dimension palette, and the format painter. First, let's create a new part. And select the required plane for sketching. Here, I will select the front plane. Now, make a center line to activate the revolve command. Now, follow the directions, and start sketching the required shape of the part above the center line. After making the sketch constrained, use revolve command and select the center line as an axis of revolution. Now, we will specify the material of the part. The material used here is AISI 316 stainless steel. This stainless steel can bear harsh environmental conditions requiring greater resistance to corrosion, higher operating temperatures with increased tensile strength, nitric acid solutions with an acidic resistance of up to 5% when heated to 50 degrees Celsius. Up to 20% phosphoric acid concentration at 100 degrees Celsius. This material has a relatively high strength to weight ratio, is easy to clean, and has an aesthetic appearance. Now, we will introduce the fillet to the part with a radius of 3 mm. We will make a half round groove along the inner side of the part. Create a circle with a diameter of 1.85 mm. And place it 2 mm from the part's left side. Make a center line. And use revolve command. You can check the half-round groove by using the section view. Now, in order to make 4 M5 holes on the right hand of the part, place a point on this surface. Make the circle a construction geometry. And define its diameter as 70.50 mm. Align the point and center of the part vertically to make the sketch constrained. Now, we will use the wizard hole command. We will keep the standard of the hole, which is ISO. Also, select the hole type, which is tap drills. And the size is M5. Now, go to the Position tab, and use a 3D sketch to place the hole. We will introduce the depth of the hole to the shoulder, which is 12 mm. Now, we'll use the circular pattern command to pattern this M5 tap drill. First, we need to select the direction of the pattern. For that, we will select the inner surface of the part. And the total number of holes we need is 4. Now, we will make another hole on the upper surface. Follow the same procedure as before for this hole until making the circle of diameter 114.18 mm. We will make a circle of 12.50 mm diameter on a point. And use extrude cut command. Now, patterning this hole. Select the direction of the hole. And the total number of holes is 6. Now, save this part and name it according to the requirement. Now we will make a drawing from the part. And use A3 ANSI landscape sheet. Place the right-hand view. Make the scaling of the drawing if required. And use the section view feature from the Drawing tab. Make the section in the center of the right-hand view. Flip the direction of the section view if required. And drag them into the required position. Now, create layers for annotation and references. We will introduce the center line in the section view. In order to give the center line only to the specific hole, hold Ctrl on the keyboard, and select the required edges. The dimensions will now be added to the drawing. The component is 110 mm long. We're going to introduce a 45-degree chamfer angle. This rapid dimension tool can help you nest your dimensions correctly. To neatly fit that in there, it will push those dimensions out of the way. With the aid of this tool, those dimensions can be put into a corner where they kind of make sense. Now, we will see what is Dimension Palette tool. If you select these dimensions, you will see one pop up, simply hover over it. And you will get the Dimension Palette tool. You can drag it off to the side, and simply click on the Auto Arrange Dimensions. It will arrange those dimensions nicely with equal spacing. You can also define the spacing between them either by using this wheel, or by putting the needed value. Also, you can change the properties of a particular dimension. Let's say you want to give tolerances, you can do it using this Dimension Palette tool. You can give basic, or bilateral tolerance to that particular dimension. At this point, to avoid having to repeat this process for every matching dimension. In this situation, a format painter is useful. When you click on the next dimension, the format will automatically be wielded if you simply hit the Format Painter button, and select a source property. Simply click on the dimensions that you want to format. Select all of these dimensions, then use the Dimension Palette tool to automatically arrange them. Now, just follow the rest of the video, and give the drawing required dimensions according to the industrial standards. In the next video, you will learn more about GD&T symbols and their significance. Thanks for watching. Until then, learn and grow.